A walk in the woods, surrounded by trees, flowers, and, if you're lucky, wildlife, may revive and rejuvenate you. Although we intuitively know that spending time in nature is beneficial to our health, we may not realize just how beneficial it may be. Forests not only help to clean our air and water, but they also have a positive effect on the minds and bodies of individuals who spend time in them. Forests boost our immune system, lower blood pressure, increase energy, improve our mood, and help us regain and retain attention in ways that treeless environments can't. By watching the footage we shot in Turkey's 7 lakes, you are encouraged to join us in getting to know a lovely national park called the 7 Lakes. The 7 Lakes National Park is located in Turkey's Bolu province, in the northwestern portion of the country. The park is well recognized for its 7 landslide-formed lakes and its abundance of plant life. It was founded in 1965 and has a total area of 1,623 hectares at an elevation of 900 meters. There are additional hiking trails and camping options in the park, including tents, caravans, rest houses, and bungalows. The park's saprobic values of decomposed organic matter show a range between oligosaprobic and beta-mesosaprobic status, according to the studies. The streams in the park have water quality classifications of Class I and Brundtland. The park's animal population has risen as a result of improved protection circumstances. Deer have their own protected area in the park. In addition, a trout farm has been established in the area. Actionurus starmachi, Paraleptophlebia cincta, Canis marti, and Betes laponicus are among the new Ephemeroptera species discovered in the park. Now it's time for you to get up and be in the nature this autumn. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.